and Mr. Munir. Great people, great friends. I mean, I'd love to come back again and spend our time in Pakistan. So I'll just keep it very simple. So these are the people who made this happen, the Vertalis. We got Rafi, this guy, the second, from David Negros in the first. David Negros, I got him, he's handling the business development in Asia. Rafi next to him, he's our CFO. He came from Chase and Yahoo. Then myself, Adil's there. Adil's again is one of the founders. So he came from the beginning. He's working with me day and night. And Adil, I hope you stay with us all the way down to the exit strategy. I want to keep you here. I'm going to maybe keep you for a very long time. Then we have Johan. He's our CIO. He's in Mexico. And then we got Mazi Fayazar based in Los Angeles. Then we have Junior. Junior looks like somewhere from Lahore. I always talk about this guy. Amazing. He's from his parents from Mexico, but he's a good friend of mine. Lives in Los Angeles as well. Then we have Oscar and Naveed. And Naveed is here somewhere. I think he's right there. Naveed has been traveling. Naveed has been helping. Naveed helped a lot Sue in Singapore and Malaysia. So these guys have been traveling and helping. Without these guys, I'm nothing, to be honest with you. I'm just leading the company and starting the process. Build the technology, working on technology. And now all these guys are helping and taking the next level. And without these guys, we are nobody. So we have a global presence. I'm going to just go on, I'm not talk about it. Basically, Vertalis can be accessed from anywhere in the world. We have 8 data centers, and you can get from anywhere you want to, from Singapore, from Los Angeles, from Mexico. We can deliver from all over the world. I'm going to pass this, irrelevant stuff. I'll pass this. I'll just keep it very simple so this way people don't get bored. So if you see that, who we compare ourselves with? AWS.